Ways to acquire intelligence. 1. Overcome the problem of age, being too young or too old. 2. Conquer luck excuses and attract good luck to you. 3. Overcome your fears of other people. 4. Increase self-confidence by satisfying your own conscience. 5. Think confidently by acting confidently. 6. Use the action techniques to cure fear and build confidence. 7. Add values to things, people and yourself. 8. Have a big view of things. 9. Do more and do it better. 10. Open your ears and mind. 11. Think like the way important people think. 12. Prevent small people from holding you back. 13. Get activated. 14. Capitalize the magic of now. 15. Set goals that will help you get things done and live longer. 16. Learn the 4 types of leadership. I. Structural approach. 2. Human resource approach. 3. Political approach. 4. Symbolic approach. The new leadership approach is called leadership by invitation. 17. When you believe that you can do it, the how to do it will develop. 18. Believe is really important in success process. 19. Believes opens impossible doors. 20. It is well to study a leader, learn from him or observe his doing. But do not worship him. 21. A person is the product of his own thought. 22. Believe big and you will receive big.